Hey loves, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kella with yet another cooking video. Yeah guys, I need to point out that this is not strictly a cooking channel, but lately I've been into cooking and I've been enjoying it so much. You know, my makeup mojo is not back yet, but I hope it will be back soon. So for now I'm into the cooking mojo, and then I just have to show you guys everything. So today, you guys already guessed right, I'm making my special egg sauce. It's really tasty, you know. I enjoy making this, and yeah, I think that's about that. So already I've prepped everything, you know, and I'm just going to run you guys through the ingredients. So right here I have my tomatoes and onion. I use 2 small onions. I have 4 eggs here. Then I have crushed pepper. Okay, I normally crush my pepper and just put it in the fridge, and for occasions like this I just go get them out of the fridge. Then here I have some salt and 1 Maggi cube. That's all for this egg sauce. It's not complicated, it's not, you know, it's not anything special, but it is special to me. You guys already know how we do. So at this point I need you to click that red button that says subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any posts whenever I upload. And I'll be back with my videos, my makeup videos. Okay, just enjoy this while I sort things out with myself. All right guys, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so while I wait for that to simmer, I will be adding some salt to the egg. I like to add some salt to my egg in case, you know, and then we'll mix this just to get that egg ready. When it's well combined, we'll set that aside and check on our tomatoes. Okay, so guys, the tomatoes have been cooking so well. You guys can see most of the water has dried out. Yeah, so we still have some left, but we're gonna cook this through. So while we're waiting for the rest of the water to go out, I like to add some salt at this point. just so everything cooks properly and it's well combined. So guys, it's time to pour in the eggs. Okay, it has simmered down so well and it smells good right now, so spicy. So right now I'm going to cover the pot and allow the egg to cook. So I cover this for about a minute for the egg to cook, and then I'm just going to turn this so it doesn't burn. And I like my eggs a bit chunky in my egg sauce. I don't like everything, you know, scrambled. I like it a bit, you know, chunky. That's why I'm not stirring so hard. Okay, I'm not stirring so hard, just giving this a quick stir and then cover it for another minute for the egg to cook properly. So guys, I just took out the cover and voila, our egg sauce is ready. I'll be having this with some yam. Yeah, I'll be having this with cooked yam or fried yam. I don't know yet what I want to eat. Okay, I know this is not your regular Sunday meal, but this is what I'm having for Sunday. So right now I'm gonna turn off the gas. Yeah, we're done. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Love you.